Hey, good morning everybody, or good afternoon to you. I'm glad you joined me to watch this video. This is Travis, your manufactured home nerd. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Champion of Dresden Pursuit. It's a 28 by 60, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And you see vinyl siding all around the home here. They got a little cedar shake accent as well as a board and bat accent under your dormer. And we're going to come on inside and check out the rest of the house. It is hot today, so y'all bear with me as I move a little slower than normal. Now coming in, this is a wide open floor plan, and so you got quite a bit of space here. I'm not really sure of the options they have at Champion Dresden. I used to sell that product, but I don't know quite as much as I used to. But you can see here they do have the rolled edge countertop. Looks like we have some pretty solid cabinets. I'm not sure what material that is. It almost feels like a plastic. No soft close, but we do have a tile backsplash here. Coming over to a big farm sink with some add-ins there. Nice little grates and stuff to help rinse your vegetables. And underneath the sink, you do have some shut-off valves. And there's your little birth certificate there. Tell you a little bit about this house. Of course, this is at River Lake Homes. So y'all know I love them and all they do. They have great service, quite knowledgeable. Now, off this, you also have a tray ceiling here in your living room. Looks like they have that cordless ceiling fan as well. Whirlpool appliances in your kitchen, built-in microwave, smooth top stove. They have the Euro hood. It's just a really nice little house. Great starter house. Patio door off the back, sliding door. Then coming over here, you got your bedrooms, now painted sheetrock throughout, thermal pane windows. Looks like a light stomp ceiling. And they have a little den with a built-in entertainment center there. 2 big windows let in that natural light. And then your guest bathroom, transom window. Y'all know I love those. And then there's a ceramic sink, looks like metal faucets as well. It's a square sink and an elongated toilet. And here's bedroom number 3. It's a little messy with materials, so we'll not focus on that one too much. And just frame off here, you can see it's very, very open. Lino throughout except for the bedrooms. I imagine that's an option easily done. Vents are in the ceiling as well. Right here off the kitchen, you do have a utility room. Space for the washer and dryer, of course. Built-in wire shelving above that. And then a little entry here. You got your water heater and your AC. And then a full-size breaker box. Not a huge house, so not a lot to tour, but we are going to go check out the master bedroom now. Pretty decent size in here. Room for a king-size bed or a queen-size bed very easily. Queen size, you probably be able to fit an extra dresser and something else in here, armoire or something like that. You do have upgraded shelving in your closet. It is a nice walk-in closet. They even did painted sheetrock in the closet, so it's not still wallboard. And it does have its own can light in the ceiling. There's your 2 big windows. And coming over here, you got your master bath. So it does have a separate closet from the master bath. That's always a feature a lot of folks like. Walking straight in, you do have dual sinks, large mirrors above the sinks, freestanding tub with 2 large windows letting that light, but give you a little bit of privacy. And your toilet. And this looks like a 6-foot tile shower. It's got the rain shower head. And a swing-in door, fiberglass basin. Just a nice little starter home. This one is, like I said, at River Lake Homes. I'm sure they would be happy to hear from you. If you have any information, you can check out their Facebook, River Lake Homes. They're located in Winsboro, Louisiana, and they'd be happy to see you, help you, and answer any questions about this house or any of their other homes. Of course, you can call me about other homes as well. My name is Travis Worley, and I do work for Bolton Homes. Y'all, thanks for touring with me today. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day and happy house hunting.